Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to show you what is coming in the holiday lettering box. It is so cute and so much fun. So let's jump in and I'll show you what's coming. Let me show you what is coming in this holiday box. So the very first thing that I want to show you is this. It is a glass dip pen set. So it has a glass stand and a black ink jar. So with the lettering box, the point of this is to help you learn lettering while you're creating something that you can use and something that's fun. So this is a glass dip pen. You can see how gorgeous it is. It's got clear glass here and then white glass up here. So pretty. And what you do, how you use this, you'll get a little jar of black ink. And so then you dip into it and then you write. The thing that's so fun about glass dip pens is that they look so fancy and you feel so fancy when you're lettering with this, but it's the same as using a pencil because it's a monoline tip. There's nothing to learn with pressure or anything like that. So anyone can pick this up super easily. So it comes with the glass dip pen in this little set, the little jar of sumi ink, and then the last little thing that you can see, it's right here in this protective foam, is a little glass stand. So this is to rest your glass dip pen on. As you're not using it, you can set it there. So that's what comes in this super cute little set. But this is such a fun one. We did a glass dip pen several years ago and it was such a hit, and I just wanted to do another one, and I'm loving the white with the clear glass on the tip. It's so gorgeous and fun. So that's the very first thing that's coming in your box, is this glass dip pen set. Let me show you the stamp because I love the stamp. It's so fun. So the two colors that won the vote, we've got metallic red and holiday green, so both metallics. And this is the stamp. It's so cute and gorgeous. It's a little Christmas tree and it's an arch shape. Let me see if I can show it to you a little more clearly. You get a handle in the back of your box here, but you can see, look how gorgeous that is. It's so pretty and has this beautiful kind of framing around it, which is so fun. Again, handle comes in the back of the box with your stamp, but it is such a fun seal. And so I'm so excited to be sending this to everyone. Next up, I want to show you the main item in the box. It's so cute. They're little gingerbread houses, little paper gingerbread houses. So we can fold them like so. And then they just close here to make the cutest little house that's going to be so fun for adding little treats and goodies inside. This is something that you can letter on if you want, and we'll do an example of that, or you can just leave it white. So along with this, there's also this gorgeous red ribbon. You can see it's got this frayed edge. It's super pretty and it's got a little bit of a sheen to it. But that's what we're going to be using to tie closed our little houses. And we're going to use these cute little tags to add to it. So let me show you these. So this is a set of 12 tags. And you can see it's super thick. I love how thick it is. It's going to be gorgeous for lettering on with our glass dip pen, but it's like the cutest little tag to add to your little house. So we'll do some lettering examples, some ideas of things that you can do. You could even add a seal onto this. It's going to be so much fun. For the houses, it comes in a set of 8. So you're going to get 8 of these cute little houses that you can use. And I just think they're so adorable and fun. The last thing in your box here is the lettering workbook. So you can see we're going to do a monoline script, and there's examples with the basic strokes, with the lowercase letters, uppercase letters as well. So you get everything in here with some tracing paper to help you get started, especially if this is your very first box. Also, the box comes with a digital printable that has lettering examples specific for this box. So there will be actual lettering examples like how to do Merry Christmas, how to do a name, different things, how to letter on the house, all that are in the printable that you'll get as well. I do have one bonus. So this is for anyone who joins by Thursday, November 13th, or this is for anyone that's an existing subscriber. Thank you, those of you that continue to get the box. You are the best. You're amazing, and I love you. This is just a little bonus. So it's a set of 6 cards and envelopes. So you can see, here's the little cards. So they've got this really cute gold foil around the edge, and it's blank for lettering, right? And then here are the little envelopes. So you can see they've also got gold foil printing, and we kind of have different shades of red here. And so each one has a different design of what is on the cards. So there's a total of 6. And these little cards, they slide in here. And the idea with these is it's a little sleeve for gift cards. So I know a lot of times we get gift cards for teacher gifts, for friends or family, maybe those people that are a little bit hard to shop for. This is what you can put it in. So you're not just giving them a gift card. You can do a little bit of lettering, a really sweet note. You can add some ribbon to the top of this. You could add a seal on here. And then you can just slide your little gift tag in there, and you have this cute little gift envelope for your gift cards. So this is a little bonus. This is something that you'll get. Everyone who's an existing subscriber will get this, and then also anyone who joins and gets the box by November 13th will also get this really fun bonus. The box is going to ship out the week of November 17th. And so we are shipping it a little bit earlier this year. We just want to make sure that there's enough time for you to receive this box and actually use all the fun items in it before the holidays come. So let me know if you have any questions, but I'm super excited to send you this box. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you would like to get the holiday lettering box, make sure to click the link in the description below. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you can see more wax seal and lettering tips. I'll see you in the next video.